Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix JavaScript error Uncaught exception. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if you are facing this issue, then what you can do is, first of all, please make sure that you have the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable installed in your Windows PC. And once you do that, what you need to do is open up your task manager, and then in the process or the application that you are having the problem with, by simply right clicking on it and then click on end task. Now once you do that, the next step is to open up run by simply going to the start menu and typing run on the search bar, and here on the open section simply type in apps.cpl, which will open up your control panel. Now all you gotta do is scroll down and then locate the app that you are having the issue with, and then uninstall it by simply right clicking on it. And once you do that, here the next step is to go back to your start menu once again, and on the search bar simply open up File Explorer, simply type in File Explorer options, and once you do that, a dialog box will appear. Simply select the option that says View, and once you do that, here under Files and Folders you will find an option that says Hidden Files and Folders, and over there you will also find Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Simply select this and click on Apply, and then click on OK respectively. And once you do that, the next step is to go to run once again, and then on the open simply type in %app data % and hit enter. And once you do that, this app tab will open. Now all you gotta do is locate the folder or the folder of the file application that you are having trouble with. Simply right click on it and then delete it, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.